Math 63, Chapter 4 Test Review, Problem number 9. Calculate the volume of the gravel in the cone-shaped pile and answer in terms of cubic yards rounded to the whole cubic yard. You'll need to use some trigonometry to calculate the height of the pile. Well, let's see. I want the volume of this guy. So let's find this figure in our appendix. And there he is right here. Here's the formula. 1/3 pi r squared h. And that's what I'm going to be using. So the volume is going to be 1/3 pi r squared h for that guy. Okay, well I know the radius. The radius is 12 feet. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi. So it's going to be 12 squared instead of r squared times 12 squared. And now I have to find the h. Well, that's why it said I'm going to have to use some trig. I know an angle, and I know a side, and I know this angle. So the trig function that I'm going to use, because this is what I'm looking for, and I'm going to call him h, okay, is I want to know that side opposite him. And right now I know the side adjacent to that angle of 52 degrees. So I can say, because these are the two guys involved, I can say that the tangent of 52 degrees is equal to my height over 12. Opposite over adjacent. So height is equal to 12 times the tangent of 52 degrees. And height is equal to 12 tangent 52. And I get 15.3593. And that makes sense that this looks to be a little bit higher than there. So this is the number I'm going to put in here, times 15.3935, excuse me, 3593. 3593. So volume is equal to, now all I have to do is put all that in my calculator. I already have that number in there, so I'm going to kind of go backwards. So it's times 12 squared times pi, and this is going to be divided by 3. 2316.1278, and these are all square feet. Excuse me, cubic feet, because I'm talking about volume. Well, the problem says make sure you give the answer in terms of cubic yards. So I need a conversion between cubic feet and cubic yards. So here's my standard, here's cubic feet, and there it is, cubic feet and cubic yards. So I'm just going to use that conversion. 1 cubic yard equals 27 cubic feet. So I'm just going to set up a quick little chain. 278 cubic feet times 27 cubic feet goes on the bottom, 1 cubic yard goes on the top. And I already have this guy sitting in my calculator, so it's going to be divided by 27. And I end up with 85.7825. Good enough. And these are cubic yards. And the problem said round to the nearest whole cubic yards. So 86 cubic yards. That wasn't bad at all. Ta-da!